Hello, so let's get started with this video. This is gonna be one of the few videos which I'm gonna upload on this channel over the couple of months. Now, I think I will upload mostly every day. So, I mean, that's kind of the point of the challenge that I'm taking right now. That is to actually code every day throughout this semester. Now, it's currently my third semester. I'm a second year engineering student, but I haven't done a lot of code stuff. Like, I don't have a very good GitHub repository or a very good LinkedIn profile. I just have very few projects that I have started in the past, which were completely like so bad. I had to delete them. It was so bad. But I did some projects in the summer vacation using Claude and ChatGPT that I got interested into dev. So I thought I would understand it properly. So I did some HTML and CSS, um, and I also learned some ML, but it's not still completed. So I will dedicate my time in my third semester for that. I mean, that's also in my plan for the third semester, but unfortunately, I won't be uploading any videos regarding that. I mean, that's one of my main targets, and probably the stuff that I'm uploading on YouTube, that I'm going to upload on YouTube, will not be my main priority. But yeah, they are essential because I need to keep track of them, that I'm actually doing them. Because if I don't do any projects and all, then my chances of getting a good job will be of course obviously low. So yeah, I have to maintain a track of that, I'm doing my work properly. And yes, this particular channel will be dedicated to that. It will be kind of a log post which will contain the project videos that I will do, and it will also contain videos of me doing some questions on lead code or code forces, or maybe attending some contest on code forces, maybe a div 3 div 2 something. So yeah, it would be dedicated to that stuff. So I have pretty much shared what I'm going to do in my third semester, but let's just go through it. First of all, I want to do some dev work, and I will allocate up at max 2 to 3 weeks of my entire semester's time. I mean, the starting 3 weeks, because after that I want to dedicate my entire time to ML. So this is basically the stuff that will like go on for the first 3 weeks. So this is not an exactly 4 months challenge for the dev work. It will be something around 21 days that I will do. I will do as much dev as possible. And yeah, at that time I will also do some coding, because it's a habit that I have to do. I have to maintain, sorry. And yeah, after that 3 week timestamp, I have to like work on my backend, uh, especially because I want to learn Mon stack properly. Because in the future there will be proper and there will be hackathons that I want to take part in, and yeah, if my backend is not good, I don't think so I will perform any well in that. And it's mostly because I'm more interested in kind of backend than front end, because front end is it's too damn tough for me. It's the backend seems much more easier for me, to be honest. So I will dedicate much of my time to backend, purely my opinion. And yeah, for the first 3 weeks I will upload some dev stuff. And yeah, also I was talking about some of the apps that I've made on ChatGPT and Claude this summer. I will show one of them, that is DevOps. I also made another project, but that's completely in a development stage right now, because it's not completed yet. I have to work on that, and that is one of the projects that I will be working in the first 3 weeks. So before we go into these 2 3 points over there, let me just show you this DevOps website that I made using Claude, entirely using Claude, to be honest. So yeah, this is the website. It's not much of a deal, but all you can do is just hit this add here. You can name any project, say hello or something, some projects from project of your choice. Then add the time that you want to dedicate, say 1 hour you want to dedicate, or any number of hours you want to dedicate on this particular project. and when you click start on it, it will just keep track of what the amount of time you gave it, and you may well also edit it. Like if you have given say 30 minutes to this, then you can just do 0.5 over here, and it will show 30 minutes over here as done. And you may also delete it if you want to. So the whole point of this website is to like keep track of my projects, because I don't want to like ruin this total uh, project stuff. I want to get it done with. So yeah, these are the kind of projects I want to do in the first 3 weeks, except for this one. This is something very big one, and I don't have any idea how I'm going to do this, but it's kind of a very uh, long-term goal, you may say. These are the stuff that I'm going to prioritize on doing, and out of these four steps, I may be able to do only 2 to 3 steps, and later on, I think I will do the remaining stuff in my winterification, and I will uh, try to upload the work during that time also. And yeah, this channel will include majorly that development stage, and the backend stuff that I will understand. It will be mostly off the screen, and maybe if I may have made something in the hackathon, I might want to show that on this channel, then I can make videos on that. And as per the CGP stuff, it's not going to come on YouTube, and only this coding stuff is something that I'm going to maintain for the entire 120 days, and the dev work for the first 3 weeks. And after that, if I get some time and I want to dedicate it to the dev work, if I have time after like this ML or CGPA stuff, then I may make videos. But the challenge for the dev work is for 21 days, and the challenge for the coding is for like uh, around 120 days that I'm going to do. And the remaining projects that are there on the list on dev hours, I will do them. It's not like I will leave them. I will do them in some future session or some future challenges. For this particular semester, I'm going to dedicate the first 3 weeks for this stuff. I know 3 weeks is maybe a very small time or maybe a very large time depending on the perspective, but I think in 3 weeks I can at least complete 2 projects, so I will dedicate time for that. And I will also do coding challenges, like I will at least solve one question from lead code, one question from code forces at least. And whenever I can attend contests, I will attend contest, but yeah, sometimes it may happen that I have to prioritize ML or this college stuff over like my contest, and I can't like exactly do it regularly. So yeah, that's why I wrote this optional over here. So this is it pretty much that I wanted to show you. This is regarding what I want to do in my coming 4 months, where I will like dedicate my time to both dev and coding on this channel, to keep a track of all these projects and all the and this habit that I want to maintain. And moreover, because it will improve my skills until the stage that I properly give time to this coding part, where I learn data structures and algorithms, and do a lot more competitive programming. For now, I think I will give more of my time to ML. Obviously, after this work is done, after this is done, I will give most of my time to backend and ML. So yeah, that's the major target over here, and this channel will be dedicated to that. So yeah, that's my plan for the next 4 months, and yeah, I will see myself on day one. So that was pretty much it. Thank you.